was happy to be in this place.
You mentioned that in terms of you and Ashley, you'll see what happens. What does that mean?
It means we are the same.
Okay, so thank you.
Who are the housemates you're most likely to stay in touch with now that
I hope you guys can hear him because there's a lot of people asking him questions.
Swiss, Mozi, Melino, and I would say
You've shared a lot about what you've with the prize. Can you give a little more detail about how your life was like before Big Brother Zanzibar?
I was getting a farm.
We interviewed Jojo already, and the other housemates are taking pictures. So
I
yeah.
was a barber. I always try to get.
And what does
Just joy. Joy and enjoyment, be yourself is the one. And then make sure you be yourself. Yeah, and people will
Can I just quickly stay with you for culture and then you'll be back, I think.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
So what we did, we are yabona umuntu uyasebenza kodwa uyithatha kodwa hayi ukunjalo
It's funny to have because we've seen people like Machine making and you also
futhi phela kongasinto engaze isibisi yebo ukuthi nje nami umuntu siyawenza amafundo siyadlula futhi yabo
and kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi u-Ashley bekakudonsa ngesibungu like she controlled who to speak to, how to act and whatever. What would you say about that?
hayi ngeke awukwazi ukushintsha into ecatshanga omunye umuntu umuntu ejele umuntu acabanga into afuna ukuyicabanga angithi uwe nonkulunkulu wakhe naseqiniso so into enye futhi ukuthi you will never change someone's perspective that they've created in their head. Already you are that person. So you can try so hard to say, I am not that person. But if they say, so yeah, it's fine. If you think mina bekumnandi nje khona mina bengazi ukuthi nje isikhathi salo muntu osuke winile ngaleso sikhathi sifikile ngoba wonke umuntu nesikhathi wonke umuntu futhi uyawufaka umdlandla noqozo hayi nami ngiyawufuna Facebook manje ngaleso sikhathi kwakuyi-dry season phela ukuthi ngawo hhayi ukuthi nami ngangimodela lapha ngangicathuta iy'nyawo yabo nami ngangisebenza kodwa bangihlula ngaleso sikhathi ya kwamahambile futhi ngaphinde ngaqhubeka kuwukuthi kuyawineka.
Sorry, I don't know if you answered this question before, and not to be funny, my question to you is, can you please sum up your experience of the Big Brother house? Some of your highlights, some of your lowlights.
My highlight was pleasant, very smooth sailing, easy. Like I said, but I wasn't going to do it without the people. I mean, I was just living my life inside them. So I've never had any lows besides Ash living. You understand? But I've never had any lows to say now I'm down low or anything. But it was always up, you know? And people are pampering us and Mama Saji when who we must go to last time. I'm never dying my I'm fight for future. But